Okay guys, welcome to today's video. I'm doing this video specifically for people who don't want to spend time on laptop trading. You just want to go to work, do your other businesses, or you don't have left for trading. I'm going to teach you a long-term strategy that is going to work for you. For instance, if you look at the graph now, if you look at this chart, the price action, Bitcoin hit about $10,497 on about 2 days ago. So it's dropped down again and it's coming back up again. It's pumping. And now, if you execute a trade just within 10 minutes and you just leave it there, and you don't even need to go back to your laptop until it hits this price, which you're going to get the alert, or maybe here you can take profit here just from 9784. In fact, before this video it was at around this price 9005. If you take it from 95, definitely it might not go back down, but if you take it from 95 up to 10,000 alone, let us calculate the profits. Let's see how much you would have. So 9,550 and you exit at 10,000. This is a long-term strategy. Let's say you do about 1 BTC, you would make $450 as if you go 20x. So let's say you can actually afford to do about 5 BTC. You're going to make a profit of $2,250, but you need an initial margin of $2,387. If you can't afford this, you can use a higher leverage. You can use a higher leverage. So that means it will cost you $955 to make $2,250. So this is a long-term strategy that you can use to make money for yourself if you don't have time trading. Even if you can't do up to 5 BTC, just do about 2 BTC. So you execute this trade. It's called a limit buy and take profit order. So if you need more guidance on how to go about this, I can show you. So you can, if you really want to learn how to trade as well, you can join my course and start trading, learn how to trade. I have a course on www.tradewithgigi.com, or you can just execute the strategy for long term if you want to do long term alone. Thank you.